I guess here 5 square is 25 minus 9 in bracket divide by 4 times 6 plus 8 times 3. Here this 25 minus 9 is 16 divided by 4 times 6 plus 8 times 3. Here 16 divided by 4 is 4 times 6 plus 8 times 3. Here 4 times 6 is 24 plus 8 times 3. Here this 24 plus 8 is 32 times 3. Here 32 times 3 is 96 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 96 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here we have two operations. One is exponent, other one is subtraction. Here exponent is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this exponent before this subtraction. Here 5 square is 25 minus 9 in bracket divide by 4 times 6 plus 8 times 3. Here this is 25 minus 9 is 16 divided by 4 times 6 plus 8 times 3. Here we have division, multiplication, addition and multiplication. Here the next priority is exponent. We don't have the exponent in this problem. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. So we have to do this before this addition. Here multiplication and divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this 16 divided by 4. So we have to do this 16 divided by 4 before any other operation. So here 16 divided by 4 is 4 times 6 plus 8 times 3. Here we have multiplication, addition and multiplication. Multiplication is again higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Again this multiplication is left to right. Here left to right is this one. So 4 times 6 is 24 plus 8 times 3.